In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically calculate totals here in Google Sheets. So this is a fairly simple tutorial on how to calculate your totals automatically. So here in my example data, I have some products with the number of quantity and unit price. And what I'm going to do is to calculate the total sales amount and the total sales afterwards. So for this first example, to get the sales amount, we are going to multiply our quantity to our unit price. So we're going to start with our formula of equal sign, then select the cell, which is our quantity, multiplied by our unit price right here. Press enter, and there you have it. We now have the sales amount of $150 based on the quantity of 2 multiplied by the unit price of $75. Now to quickly fill up the rest of our data, what I'm going to do is to just click on this one and drag it down all the way to my row 21. And there you have it. It has filled out all of my cells with the same formula of multiplying the quantity to the unit price. And now to calculate for our total sales amount, what I'm going to do is to use the sum function. So to start our formula, again, that's with your equal sign. Type in sum. Then select it right here. So this will sum a series of numbers and or cells. Click on that. And now what we're going to do next is to just select that entire range, which is our sales amount. Press enter, and there you have it. We've quickly calculated our total for our sales amount. Let me just quickly format this, and there you have it. Now, if I had some changes right here, I can simply do it. Let's say maybe I had 4 quantities sold for this one instead of 3. Press enter, and my total sales will be updated. What if I delete everything right here? Now we have a 0 amount of total sales. So whatever is entered in this area will be automatically calculated by this formula in this cell right here. Even if we change all of the amounts or all of the values within this data, this will remain the same, which will calculate whatever values that are within this range. So if I wanted to copy this and go to another sheet right here and paste it, it will give you the same 0 value because this column right here is currently empty. So if I were to do the formula for this one, so we have quantity sold times the price per item plus the tax. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to do this by multiplying the quantity sold first to the price item. Then I'm going to add our tax. Press enter, and there you have it. So now, since my only amount or value is 103, my total is also 103. If I drag this down to roll out the same formula to the rest of my data, there you have it. Now we have a new total, which again adds all of the values right here to come up with this number. Again, let me just quickly format that, and there you have it. But if you just want a sneak peek on your actual total amount, you can simply select the range right here, and at the bottom right corner, you will see your column stats. So here it will give you the sum, the average, the min, max, count, and count numbers of that range that you have selected. So we have a total of 2,211, and that's the same right here. Same with our other example. If I select this range, it will give me the same sum or total amount from our formula. And there you have it. That's how to automatically calculate your totals here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.